Hello everyone. Am I audible? Okay. Welcome to today's webinar. Okay, and thank you for making time out and being here today. So, first, I'd like to introduce you with myself. This side, 𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗲, and I'm the import and export manager of the company Global Trade Plaza. Okay, so today I'd like to tell you that nowadays we are facing in import and export business. The major issue is the payment security. There are so many frauds are happening, right? So the major issue is just the payments payment issue. Like hello everyone. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Okay. So welcome to today's webinar, and thank you for making time out and being here today. Actually, first I'd like to introduce you with myself. This side 𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗲, and I'm the import and export manager of the company Global Trade Plaza. Okay. So this webinar is to address a major issue, which is like the payment security. Like everybody is well known that nowadays the major issue which we are facing in import and export is the payment related issue, right? So here in Global Trade Plaza, we'd like to introduce you with some new feature which is going to help you to save you to against the frauds regarding the payment. Okay, so we have two new features which is going to help you to import and export business to save you from the scams and the frauds. So now I'd like to introduce you with my senior, okay, Miss Annie, import and export head, okay, and she will guide you for the further, and she will provide you further information regarding the payment security, okay. Yeah.
Hello. Hello everyone. So this side Miss Any import export man head of the Global Trade Plaza. So now in this era, we are facing several issues regarding the finance in the trade. So like how we will prevent from these things in the trade. So for in the Global Trade Plaza, you will get the security payment system through Global Trade Plaza in the trade business. Okay. So first of all, in this topic, we will add. Okay, so in this webinar, we will like cover several topics like introduction of Global Trade Plaza and what is trade finance and what the risk we will facing in the trade, and the next topic that how we will manage the payment risk, and next the that our success stories of our client, and the next what the conclusion that how we will do this. Okay, so firstly, introduce my company. Like the company, Global Trade Plaza is the most trusted B2B platform. Okay, we are an official partner of SGS, and the Global Trade Plaza is an artificial intelligence powered international trading platform for exporters and importers. Okay, so now, what is the trade finance? So I can share you my screens as well, so you can easily got it. Wait a minute. Okay, so trade finance is the financial instrument, okay, which we are dealing in the international market. Okay, if we do the trade, so some we need a finance to do the trade. So when we do the trade, so there is a very risk are involved, and how we will manage. So what the risk we will facing in the trade finance? So payment risk is a significant concern for business involved in the international trade. Okay, so it refers to the risk that a buyer will fail to pay for the goods or services, leaving the seller with an unpaid invoice. Okay, so several risks we are facing, the buyer can get a verified supplier, and the supplier can get a verified buyer. So how we will provide you these things? We will verify the buyers, okay, as per your terms and conditions. And so the payment, if I talk about how we will manage the risk, we have two payment gateway in our platform. Like the first one, we will provide you the global pay escrow services, and the second one is the global credit. Okay, so global pay escrow services like to secure and to rely is the most trusted global pay-escrow services to ensure that your transaction will be secure in the global pay escrow account. Okay, and how it works. The first one, that we will do the agreement between the buyer and the seller to use the global pay escrow services for their transaction. The second one, that is the payment. So the buyer send the payment to the escrow services, which hold the fund in the global pay escrow account. The third one, that is the delivery, when the seller deliver the goods. And the fourth one, that is inspection, when the buyer inspect the good or services to ensure that they are described, that they get the what they need. Okay, after that the money will be fifth one is the realization. So after when they verified that the goods, the buyer, then the money will be released to the funds will be released to the seller's account. Okay, so these are the key features how it works, global pay escrow services. Next one, that is the what the benefit if we use the global pay escrow services. So it reduce the risk or fraud between the buyer and the seller. Okay, increase the security, yes, the my payment will be secure. Okay, the third one, that is the flexibility to use in the variety of industry. We will use the global pay escrow services in any sector. Okay, if I talk about the real estate, e-commerce, and we can also use in the international trade. So we will use escrow services in different sectors. So the first payment mode, payment security mode, that is the global pay escrow services. And the third one, that is the global credit. So global credit, that means we will lending a certain amount from the bank, or you can call as a loan. Okay, it is a global credit like a loan. So how it works, how you can get a credit from our company. So we have a third party collaboration, like we are an official partner of like a Velo Trade company in our in Russia. Okay, so like how it works, like we have a certain documentation like we will require. The first one, that is we will, like you have a proper documentation regarding, like you have a business plan, okay, you have a financial statement, you have a credit history. The second one, that is your company will be registered in last 3 years, okay. The third document that we will require, you have, like you have the proper shipment and dealing documentation, okay. So these are the documents we will verify. My like a Velo Trade company verified. After that, you will get a credit loan through the Velo Trade company. Okay. When these documents will be the approved for the global credit, your finance will be released in within 72 hours. Okay. But Velo Trade company will finance only 80% of the cost of a transaction. Okay, and the 20% they will hold after. When you get the shipment, all the things will be done, your 20% money, like your 20% transaction will be released to you after. Okay. Okay, so these are like how it works, global pay credit, and like what the benefit you will use in the global pay credit. So one of the key benefit of the global credit is to, like this is a like streamlined approval process. They will like only take like not take too much time. Okay, when you have proper documentation of your trade of your company, you will get the approval of your like money in within 72 hours. Okay, so this is the main benefit of global credit. Okay, and now I can tell you like one success story when we have a client, like we have more than more than client in Global Trade Plaza, that they will getting a global PSCO services and they will getting a global credit. Okay, so one of client story I can tell you, like his name is Mr. John, and he is a small business owner, and he should get a struggle to get a approval for the loan. Okay, when they join our platform and when they getting these services like global pay escrow services and the global credit, now they will like his score will be like score will be credit score will be improved. Okay, his loan will be secure, and his he expand his business successfully in the international market through global pay escrow services and through global credit. Okay, so we have some more clients in our platform, Mr. John, Mr. Ibrahim, and someone from Malaysia, Malaysia, US. He's from India. Like we have more than client that do use the payment security mode through our platform, and they increase their business through Global Trade Plaza. Okay. So now, if you getting okay, so in the if you're getting services from our platform, you will definitely increase your business. Your score, credit score, will be increased. You will get increase your business in the international market. Okay, so your payment security, your payment will be secure in the global pay escrow account. Your loan will be secure. Like all the payment security, you will getting under one roof in the Global Trade Plaza. Okay. Okay, and you will all the losses, you will ensure that your operations or your profitability will be ensured in the international trade activities. Okay, so these are the key features. Okay, these are the services that our company will provide it to you in the global pay. First one is global pay escrow services. The second one is the global credit through our platform. So you can get confirmed more deal from our platform and everything. So if you have any query that what I explain over the webinar, so you just may ask. if you have any query or any question regarding global credit or like global pay escrow services.
Hello. Yeah, so I hope everything is clear, right? And I believe Miss Annie have able to give you the more clarity about the payment security, right? And if anyone having any question or any doubt, feel free to ask us. And we are here to assist you. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, everything was clear, ma'am. Thank you so much for your presentation.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Yeah.